I've been around for some time, and I've never seen birds struggle to fly, fish struggle to swim, or roses struggle to blossom. But I've seen my fellow humans struggle to succeed. I've seen people striving hard just to make it in life. There can be only one reason for this. We are not manifesting our gifts and true nature. For every creature made, the Creator has placed within them what they need to thrive and succeed. It is a system built into them as part of their nature, abilities, and potentials. As human beings, we possess all of these things. Yet many of us have abandoned what we have and have started seeking what we don't have. We have neglected who we truly are and have adopted false identities imposed on us by the society. We've become accustomed to this new way of life, the chase for money and luxury. We've forgotten that life is not just about accumulating material things. And while I'm not demeaning the value of material things, I'm saying that is not all there is to life. Life is about fulfilling purpose, and everything you achieve should lead to that one thing. If everything you have or do is not aligned with your purpose, you're simply wasting your time. Accumulating wealth without knowing its purpose is meaningless. Imagine someone who works hard to fuel their vehicle but refuses to drive it to a destination, or worse still, doesn't even know where they're going. Does that person know what they're doing? What's the point of the fuel if they have no destination? That's what many of us do. We toil day and night to make money, but render it useless by doing nothing meaningful with it. You see it often. Politicians and public officials who amass riches for themselves, only to die without making any meaningful impact in the world. Their greed and selfishness lead them to take money meant for their people and use it to buy houses and yachts abroad. I wonder if they plan on being here in the next 100 years to enjoy those toys. Your money and other resources must serve a purpose. Your actions and achievements must be driven toward a goal, and that goal is your purpose. So today, I challenge you again, find your purpose, discover your gift, and begin to walk in this understanding. Soon, I will put together a program that will help you discover your gifts and purpose, and you will begin to manifest them for good. Stick around for updates. I see you making meaningful progress and achieving a new level of success. God bless you. Read next, Embrace the Positive, Celebrating the Good People in Your Life. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Ize Music got you. Contact sopiansofgojmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Your gift makes fulfilling your purpose easy. 2. Everything you need is in the hands of people. 3. 7 surprising ways to lose weight. 4. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.